Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Google Drive and signing into the Google account you want to store photos in. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and interruptions. Open the Photos app and pick an album or select multiple images to upload. This helps control what goes to Drive. Now switch to the Drive app, tap the plus button and choose Upload. You're starting the transfer immediately so you don't lose momentum. You'll now decide how Drive saves your files. Pick photos or videos and choose whether to upload originals for full quality or smaller optimized copies to save space. Tap Create Folder if you want structure, then select the images and hit Upload. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled so the Drive app can finish uploading if you switch apps. Monitor upload progress in Drive. Larger batches may take longer, so stagger uploads if speed or storage becomes an issue. You'll finish by confirming all photos appear in Google Drive and that folders match your expectations. Once satisfied, you can remove local copies to free iPhone storage. If you see duplicates, review them manually or use a deduplication tool. Automatic detection isn't built into Drive. If uploads fail, check your Google storage quota, Drive app permissions, Photos access, and Wi-Fi or cellular settings. Restart the app or phone, then retry uploads. This resolves most transient sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.